Contestant number 12, Miss SNS Trading USA, Yehenara, Fifita, Holeva, Liusia, Fakalolo, Pelenato, Tupou, Tuipulotu, Soukoup. She was born and raised in the beautiful island of Oahu in Hawaii. Her biological parents are Fungani Mapa Uluvalu of Pelehake and Maofanga, and Tapukitea Tupou of Fo'ui and Vava'u. She's the eldest of 5 children. At the age of 4, she was adopted by her great-grandmother's sister, Kalo Mataele Soukoup, and her husband, Harry Soukoup. She attended Sacred Hearts Academy from kindergarten to 6th grade and graduated from Kalani High School. She was active in her school's speech club, debate club, and poetry club. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Miss SNS Trading USA, contestant number 12. Miss SNS Trading USA, Yehenara, Fifita, Holeva, Liusia, Fakalolo, Pelenato, Tupou, Tuipulotu, Soukoup. Ke matafi e Tonga I he langi taupotu, pe moe talamalu o e whakatulou, pe moe ononga fulu tau ai nevekeita o i oto Tonga, a eni o ko tau lau monu ai. Kai ofa e me pelehake o te whakaunga mai ai ma hoto ki I wala whaiva ka koe laloni e te ki I teu ki he welo hangai. Wisa, ma te ui pe ki a mapu o talau, pe mo mafi whatongi a tau. Ke to'o mai si ato ki I wala ki a pō whetau, io, koe melenga e lau kie he tawhatafa o muunga talau, ne tongi aki e ngatu kula, koe melenga e ai kona me ape ko si kai ha, koe katoi si oto ki I wala whaiva, aia ne fungani aki e tuvitofe, e skotakini mei he funga vei mamuni, pe a fau mai funga misi ke pililolo, ke o hifo mai I he utu kalungalo, o lau malo ai ki ngahi wha e, mo e whata maa whana, ko nau kawhataha, mo e whanga wha e, me he lolo paongo, I he noo hoto teki aki e toenga e fulufulu I kula, ne movete I he tau whakalele moa. Whakakato hono ki teu, ka koe paanga ki he welo hangai. Tuku pē ki o whakahoi fuato, mo whakameite I e ngahi whakahikihiki o e ngahi Heilala o e otu whelenite. Isa, ofa me pelehake io ai tawake, si lupe o tā ke vulai, mo si hiva o pelenisesi taone. Ka koe ngahi whatu ai tā hine ko Queen Salote. Koe medli koe ni, ne whakahaka ia e Gary Pasina Lavaki, me he lolo ahalai valu. Si oto ofa atu. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12, Miss SNS Trading USA, Yehenara, Fifita, Pelenato, Tupou, Tuipulotu, Soukoup. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12, SNS Trading USA, Yehenara Fifita, Holeva, Liusia o Fakalolo, Pelenato, Tupou, Tuipulotu, Soukoup. Miss SNS Trading USA is currently a student attending the University of Hawaii, majoring in political science, and on Sunday she's a primary teacher for the LDS Kahala Ward. Her hobbies included cooking and spending time with family, traveling, dancing, and doing community work.